Stop right there. You clicked on the right video. I know why you're here. I know you want to make money. I know you want to break free from financial struggles. I know you want to succeed in life. And after watching this video, if you follow every step, I promise you'll learn 100% genuine ways to earn online. YouTube itself suggested this video to you first for a reason. So if you're serious about making real money, don't skip a single part of this video. I don't want you to miss any step, because if you do, it could cost you later. Right now, focus only on my voice. Whatever is happening around you, ignore it. Whatever is on your screen, don't get distracted. Just listen carefully to everything I say and follow it exactly. If you're watching this right now, there's a reason. Maybe you're tired of checking your bank account and seeing the same number. Maybe you're working a job that barely pays enough, even though you're putting in the hours. Or maybe you've seen other people online talking about making $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month. And you're wondering if it's actually real or just another internet illusion. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. In 2026, money is not just earned by working harder. It's earned by positioning yourself where money is already flowing. And right now, billions of dollars are moving online every single day through digital marketing, online business, investing platforms, affiliate marketing, and content creation. The only question is, are you part of that flow, or are you still standing outside of it? Most people in the United States are stuck in a system where their income is directly tied to their time. They work 1 hour, they get paid for 1 hour, maybe $15, maybe $20, maybe $25. And while that might feel stable, it's also limiting, because no matter how hard you work, you only have 24 hours in a day. That's why so many people feel stuck financially. But online income works differently. You don't just get paid for time, you get paid for results, reach, and value. One piece of content, one product, or one smart decision can generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars. That's the difference between linear income and leveraged income. And once you understand that shift, everything starts to change. Now let's make this practical. There are a lot of methods online, but most of them fall into 3 simple categories. The first is selling a skill, the second is building assets, and the third is leveraging other people's products. If you understand these 3, you understand how money is made online in 2026. Let's start with the first one, selling a skill, also known as freelancing. This is the fastest way for a beginner to make their first $100 online. Why? Because you're not creating demand. You're stepping into demand that already exists. Businesses already need help. They need content, designs, videos, social media management, and they're willing to pay real money for it. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need years of experience. You just need to be useful. Think about this for a second. A small business owner in the US needs 10 social media posts. They don't want to spend hours doing it themselves. So they go online and pay someone $50, $100, sometimes even $200 to get it done. Now imagine you learn a basic skill like creating posts or editing short videos. You start small, maybe charging $20 per task. It's not a lot, but it's a start. And once you complete a few jobs, get a few reviews, and improve your skill, you can increase your price. That $20 becomes $50, then $100. Now you're making $1,000 or more per month, not from a job, but from your own ability to create value. And that's where confidence starts to build. But here's the limitation of freelancing. You're still trading time for money. And if you want to go beyond $3,000 or $5,000 per month, you need something more powerful. You need leverage. And that brings us to the second category, building digital assets. A digital asset is something you create once, and it continues to generate income over time. This could be a YouTube video, a blog post, a digital product, or even a simple guide. The key idea is this: your effort doesn't disappear after you finish the work. It stays online, reaching more people, generating more opportunities. Let's take YouTube as an example, because this is one of the biggest opportunities right now. In the US, certain types of content are extremely valuable, especially in the finance niche. Topics like how to make money online, passive income, investing for beginners, credit cards, and financial freedom did higher PM topics. That means advertisers are willing to pay more money to reach that audience. In some cases, creators earn $20 to $40 per 1,000 views. So if a video gets 100,000 views, that could mean $2,000 to $4,000 just from ad revenue. And that's not including affiliate income or sponsorships. Now imagine building multiple videos like that. That's not just income, that's a system. And here's what makes it even more powerful. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to be perfect. You can create videos using voiceovers, captions, and simple visuals. The same way, consuming this content right now. The key is not how you look, it's the value you provide. People are searching for answers. If you can give them clear, useful information, they will watch. Now let's connect this with the third category, leveraging other people's products, also known as affiliate marketing. This is where you earn money by recommending products or services, and in high-value niches like finance, online business, and software, the commissions can be very high. Some companies pay $50, $100, even $300 for a single sale. So if you create content that helps people make decisions, and they trust your recommendation, you can earn money without creating your own product. For example, if you promote a tool that pays $100 per sale, and just 10 people buy it in a month, that's $1,000. And the best part is, once your content is online, it can keep generating sales over time. That's passive income. Now imagine combining these three methods. You start with freelancing to make your first money and learn skills. Then you use those skills to create content. Then you use that content to promote products. Suddenly, you're not relying on one source of income. You have multiple streams. And that's how people go from struggling financially to building real online income. But let's pause for a moment, because this is where most people fail. Not because the methods don't work, but because they don't stay consistent. They try freelancing for a few days, don't see results, and quit. They start a YouTube channel, upload 2 videos, get no views, and quit. They try affiliate marketing, don't make a sale in a week, and quit. And then they say this doesn't work. But the truth is, it does work. It just doesn't work instantly. The people making $5,000 or $10,000 per month didn't get there overnight. They stayed consistent when it was slow, when it was frustrating, when nobody was watching. So here's the mindset you need. Stop focusing on how much money you make today. Start focusing on what you did today. Did you learn something? Did you create something? Did you improve? Because results are delayed, but actions are immediate. And if you can control your actions every day, the results will come. Now let's make this real again. Your first goal should not be $10,000. That's too far. Your first goal should be your first $100 online, because that's the moment everything changes. That's when you realize this is not just theory, it's real. And once you believe that, you start thinking differently, you start acting differently, and that's when growth begins. Imagine waking up one day and seeing that you made $50 overnight, then $100, then $200, not from a job, but from something you built. That feeling is different. It's not just about money, it's about control. Control over your time, your income, your future. And in 2026, that kind of control is more valuable than ever. But here's the truth. None of this matters if you don't take action. You can watch this entire video, understand everything, and still stay in the same place. Because knowledge without action changes nothing. The internet is full of information. What's rare is execution. The people who succeed are not the ones who know the most. They're the ones who do the most. So here's your plan. Keep it simple. Pick one method, just one. Don't try to do everything at once. If you want fast results, start with freelancing. If you want long-term income, start with content creation. If you want passive income, focus on affiliate marketing. But whatever you choose, commit to it. Give it 30 days. Not perfect effort, real effort. Learn, apply, improve. That's it. Because a year from now, you're going to look back at this moment and you'll either say I wish I started, or I'm glad I did. And that decision happens right now. And before you leave, listen carefully. In the next video, I'm going to break down one specific online business model step by step, a system beginners in the US are using right now to generate $1,000 to $5,000 per month online. Not theory, not motivation, but an actual process you can follow. But most people won't see it because they won't take this seriously. So if you're different, if you actually want to build income, create passive cash flow, and move toward real financial freedom, make sure you subscribe right now, because missing that next video could literally cost you thousands of dollars in missed opportunities. This video is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Success depends on your effort, consistency, and skills. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions.